I'm going to be showing you how, using my best version of the silver bullet ICT strategy, you can pass all of your funded accounts. And I'm going to be showing you right in this video. So let's just get straight into it. You can see all the results right here. All these people, all my students have been using this and they've been getting great results. And let's just get straight into it. So the pairs that it works on is NAS 100, EURUSD, GBPUSD, Gold, and S&P 500. We're going to be using it on EURUSD because this is my favorite pair. Okay, so I'm going to be marking out the highs right here. We're going to be staying on the London kill zone from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, so I'm also going to mark out my actual trading time is going to be from 7 right here until 11. Right, we're only going to be entering positions within this time. Okay, you do not enter out of this time. So we've marked out our trading time 7 to 11, and now what we need to do is mark out our Asian highs and Asian lows right here. So we have our Asian low and Asian high. So what we're actually looking for is for one of these two to get swept, and then we could look for reversal opportunities. So if I play price forward, you can see from here. Okay, the lows have completely just been swept right here. So this tells us that we're going to be taking the trade towards the upside. That's what we're going to be aiming for, and 1 to 3 towards the upside. So now if I just play price forward, we're going to be trying to look for an engulfing candlestick, which is a market structure shift at the same time. Okay, you wouldn't count this as an engulfing because candle before it was actually very large as well. So if I just keep playing price forward, you can see we're just waiting for that engulfing candlestick. Okay, you see we got one towards the downside. Now if I play price forward, you can see right there we just got a big market structure shift. Okay, so we're going to be using this right here. This is going to be our market structure shift. And what we're going to be looking for now is just our last fair value gap. Okay, you can see that price will actually mark out our fair value gaps right here. You can see this indicator that I actually use marks out the fair value gap first. So what I'm going to be doing now is just using the rectangular tool on the most recent FAG towards the upside. And all I'm going to be doing is entering off of this right here. Okay, placing my stop loss just below this candle, and placing my take profit at a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. This trade will be such an amazing trade, and it will run all the way up to take profit. Okay, let me just remove this right here. And now if I just play it forward, let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. You can see that's re-entered right here. And the big candle momentum just came after it, and you can see it's going up, and it just smashed take profit, and it's going even higher. Okay, if you want a better strategy that you can actually get for completely free, it's going to be the first link in the description. I'm going to be linking it. All you got to do is join the Telegram, and you get access to this completely for free. Okay, this is a strategy which has over a 92% win rate, and it works really well. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the next example right now, but just before that, I want to show you that I actually have a fast pass service where I'll be passing people's accounts. You can see Joel right here. I passed this phase 1 and phase 2 of his prop firm, and I can actually manage it after for free if you guys want. Okay, you can see here the bot is running perfectly. You can see 14,000 up. You can see 1,600. You can see another actual client. You just got their 50 count passed. All right, you can be next. You don't have to be left out. You can be next. All you got to do for that one is join the second link in the description. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you the other example, so make sure you tune in. All right, now I have a very good example here, and this one is actually way more complex than the ones I've just showed, so I need you to be listening very carefully. So what we're going to be doing is marking out the highs of Asian session. That's going to be Asian session high, and we're going to be marking out the lows as well. So this will be the lows right here. Okay, we already know that 7 to 11 is our trading time. We only enter within 7 until 11. Okay, so if I play price forward, you can see it just took out the highs right there. So now what we're going to be doing is aiming to take the trade towards the downside. All right, so we're going to be just looking for reversals towards downside. Play price forward. What we're going to be looking for is a big engulfing candlestick with a market structure shift. That's what we're going to be looking for right here. There we go. We just got a massive engulfing bearish candlestick. Sorry. Okay, we've got a very big candlestick. So now what we're going to be doing right here. Okay, so I'm going to be playing price forward now. To find our fair value gap, you can see right here we actually have 2, so we're going to be using the most recent one. That's actually the rule. So you can see the indicator actually marked out our highest probability fair value gaps. So this is the FAG right here. This is the one that we're going to be using. And if I just put price right here and put my stop loss just above this candle of the fair value gap and put in my take profit at 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, this will hit take profit, and it'll be such a beautiful trade. You can see it's just entered off of right there, and if I play it forward, literally just 2 more candles and it just smashed take profit. Okay, this is how well this strategy actually works. I'm going to be showing you just one more thing, and it's actually going to be how it works on a fundamental level. Okay, so if I move up to here, I'm going to be using the arrows right now. So what you're going to be doing is waiting for price to do whatever it wants before it hits our trading time. And once it hits the trading time, which will be 7 a.m. anywhere around here, what you need to do is mark out Asian sessions highs and lows. Okay, so let's say this is the highs right here, and this is Asian sessions lows right here. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is waiting for price to actually sweep one of these two. So let's say you just swept the highs right there. Once it actually sweeps the highs, what you're looking for is a market structure shift with a displacement. Okay, so now what we're looking for is a market structure shift for price to do this, and you can see right here, this would have been the market structure shift. Okay, once we actually get this, all we need to look for now is our fair value gap. This is literally all we need to look for, and the fair value gap will actually be annotated by itself with the indicator. It will be a highlighted area, either pink or it will be blue for buys. So what you're going to be doing is placing your sell limit right here, and all you're going to do is enter off of this and making sure it's a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and you can see it actually perfectly lines up with Asian sessions lows, which is a great sign that this trade will actually take profit. So all you're going to be waiting for now is for price to go back up, tap into this area, and actually go all the way down and smash take profit. Okay, you can see right here, this is on a fundamental level how it works. And if you want to learn more and you want to learn a better strategy, I have a free one. It's going to be the first link in the description. All you need to do is click on it and then click start, and it will give you this PDF file which has all the information, 1 through 10, exits, entries, how to find the buyers, every single thing. Okay, and also if you want to actually join my other group, which is actually the Forex Family Resorts, you can also join this through my other group. Okay, you can join this through my normal Telegram link. Okay, you can join this. It's so much value that's being put in here. So much just trade breakdowns. You can see I've done one right here. It's a great trade breakdown, and yeah, people love it. Okay, but that's gonna be the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.